Today we're talking about how to reset your username on Snapchat. Whether you're ready for a fresh start or just want to update your username, Snapchat makes it simple to change it. So, let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile picture in the upper left corner to access your profile. From here, you'll see all your Snapchat details like your Snap score, friends, and more. Now, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down a bit until you find the username option. Go ahead and tap on username, and you'll see the option to change it. Snapchat will remind you that you can only change your username once per year, so make sure you're happy with your new one. When you're ready, tap on Change Username. Now, enter the new username you'd like to use. You'll need to pick something unique. Snapchat won't allow you to choose a username that's already taken. Once you've found the perfect name, tap on the Next button. To confirm the change, Snapchat will ask for your account password. Go ahead and enter your password, then click on Confirm. Finally, you'll see a confirmation page letting you know that your username has been successfully updated. Tap on Continue, and you're all set. Don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.